Hey Braille learners, how you guys doing? This is Ayush from Hable. To help you in your journey, we have partnered with Braillists to add more fun and excitement to learning Braille. Hable is offering an opportunity to practice Braille on your phone while you learn the Braille alphabet. You can participate in the Hable Braille Challenge, through which you'll receive a Hable One. Hable One is a physical controller which works with iPhone, Android phones or tablets. After last year's edition of Hable Challenge, a lot of participants actually got to implement their new skills by trying out words, sentences over WhatsApp or Facebook or messages. And since it's a challenge, one participant can win a Hable. It's free of cost and the sign-ups end on 15th of February. We only have 20 spots for the challenge, and the challenge starts on the 23rd of February. Looking forward to seeing you there, and here are some participants from last year's challenge to share on their story.
My mum has been secretly practicing the Hable late at night.
Okay, I'm going to attempt Spotify.
Create playlist. Playlist name, text field, is editing. My playlist number 20 selected.
Okay.
Playlist created by Lara Jean Kavathan. L-O-V-E. Love my dog. Song, Peter Shelley.
I'm going to attempt to send a message on Facebook.
Double tap to open. Facebook.
We are there, right?
W-E-L-L-H-E-R-E space.
I've done it! Wow! I've actually done